Hello everyone, we are inside the College of Journalism and Mass Communication, IIMT University Meerut, and today we are accompanied with one great personality, Dr. V.S. Nigam with us. Sir, now this is all about those students who are going to clear their class 11th and 12th this time. And the biggest question in their mind is to what to choose post their class 12th as their career option. I personally know that the journalism and mass communication nowadays has become one of the famous medium of passing information through social media or through news. News has come up into an application and everything is on the fingertips. So, as the dean of the college, according to you, what should be one major reason that a student should opt for BJMC after completing their class 12th?
That's true. If you opt any other profession or any other course to become a profession, you will remain confined to that profession only.
Absolutely.
If you are choosing engineering or doctor throughout the life, you will remain there, confined.
Absolutely, sir.
But by becoming a journalist, you fulfill a number of dreams. If you could not become the IAS officer, yes, through this, IAS officer will really wait for you.
Absolutely.
He will welcome you.
Absolutely.
In his office.
It's a very powerful profession.
It is. And the second question you raise, what for a person goes for a profession? He goes for power, money, respect, honor, and name and fame.
Absolutely.
And this profession provides you everything. Yes, money. Oh yes, it comes, but not just in the beginning, but it comes after 15, 20 years. Then you are posted at such a place or you decide your own salary.
Hard work pays off.
Yeah, pay and perks are decided by the journalist, not by the company.
That's a very, very, very loud statement to make out, sir. I'm sure that this profession is that powerful that people decide on their own terms, live on their own terms, and mostly other people are living on the terms that journalists are now setting. The full trend only has become like that.
See, journalism is totally a creative one, creative field.
Of course.
And other fields are, once you become, for always you are like that, you will be dull in your profession. Always a journalist remains active.
Absolutely.
And there's a craze also. It's fascinating. When you meet the people, you realize your importance. People do believe you. They don't go to the police stations. They simply approach the journalist for the fair dealing, for the justice. So this type of image, a reputation, were earns only through this particular profession, not by others.
Absolutely. So, sir, in journalism and mass communication, what courses does IIMT University offer?
Yeah, for the timing, it is offering Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication and Master degree in Mass Communication. These are two courses we are offering.
So, this bachelor degree you can start post you complete your 12th class.
It is.
So, sir, is there any specific stream that a student should opt in class 11th and 12th to be a part of journalism?
Not necessary.
Any stream is fine.
No, not necessary. If you are creative, you need a little bit knowledge of typing, and you have the caliber just to meet the people, to discuss their problems, to have the solutions, analytical mind, then you are there.
So it doesn't make a difference if a student is from medical line or humanities or commerce?
No matters, no matters.
And English is an important subject?
It is.
It is mandatory for...
But one should have the command on both the languages.
To be powerful in
Yeah, because most of the part of media is Hindi belt.
Yes.
So if one goes for the newspaper and even for the electronic media, medium Hindi is still a very powerful medium. So one has to be in both the languages.
So, sir, completing BJMC obviously gives you a lot of options to choose from after finishing your graduation and master's degree. So, could you quote some of the options that a person could choose post the graduation?
Yeah, why not? First of all, you get the graduation degree.
Yes, of course.
You can go to any other competition like any other degrees, the very first option.
Absolutely.
Second is that, as it is the name tells, you can be a journalist, you can be a communicator, you can be a writer, you can be a content developer, and moreover you are interested in air-conditioned job, then you can become the public relations officer. So
Hundreds and
there
hundreds
are
of
ample opportunities.
And the opportunities are much. I'm sure that the getting job is also easier.
No, it's not a problem at all.
So you get the campuses, you get the job.
No, even if we do not try, they will
then
get
you do.
themselves. We will make them like that.
Okay.
Yeah, because there are so many options. One, the big problem, big area is coming, that is content development and content writing.
Okay, and it has now become very famous.
It is.
So, sir, there are so many other colleges and universities who are offering BGMC. So, what is that one USP that IMT University is giving out for students to join there?
First, it is IIMT. That means I belong to the dean. Then I belong to the head of department. I belong here to every teacher. I belong to every student who
It's
comes
all
over
about
here.
I, me, myself.
Yeah. So that is the message it has.
Okay.
Now see, we have recently got, we are in the process of getting it. We will have 12 laboratories. For the first time, why students should come over here, we will have the Mozo lab. We will have the journalism data lab. We will have the innovation lab. We have the print lab, we will have the radio lab, we will have the television lab.
So, students are going to learn in a real life scenario.
They will.
Oh my god, I am totally fascinated about this whole journalism and mass communication concept. If I would have gone back to time, I can also opt for this. It was amazing talking to you, sir. I'm pretty sure that all the people who are watching this interview is going to get a clear idea about what journalism is, what mass communication is, and how wide the scope is after you finish the graduation. And of course, if I can think that you're the best person to learn from, the students out there are also going to think the same, and they are going to choose IMT University all because of you over here, sir.
No, students will come. I invite them. You come. Come to this university, enjoy the life, enjoy the course, and get the jobs.
And you're going to take care of the life.
Sure.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.